मैं उस चीज़ से मूव ऑन ही नहीं कर पाई. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दैट. आई वॉज शाउटिंग. कोई किसी के पास मेरी आवाज़ पहुंच ही नहीं रही. हाथ पैर किसी ने पकड़ रखे हैं. बोलना. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The World Stories. So today video is all about an incident that happened with me. Yeah, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. The thing, the story, the incident that I'm going to tell you is based on a true event that has happened with me. It was a very scary. It was a very scary. I really got frightened when I experienced it. Seriously. So let's get into it. Let's be ready to listen at what exactly has happened with me. And I'm seriously telling you, while I am recording, I'm just recording and I'm just like very scared by just remembering the incident what has already had happened. Now I'm just sharing with you what exactly has happened, so stay tuned till end and tell me in the comment section about your experience. Have you also experienced this thing with you, or am I the only one? And what is this actually called in your language? So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Okay, so this incident was about 6 years ago when I was in 11th standard. This happened with me. This incident was happened at the night. It was around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock night. The actual story is yet to begin, because the thing which will happen next will make you all scared. Even though when I remember this incident right now, I was just scared. It's like shivering my body. Seriously, I'm just like goosebumps on my hands. I was just remembering. So I was just remembering my chapter, revising my chapter, and it's a very theoretical chapter. So it doesn't need any kind of an pen or paper at all. So I had my book and I was in my bed and I had a book like this, and I was just revising it. And मुझे उसमें बहुत नींद आ रही थी, मैं बहुत नींदों में थी. So what had happened, मैं रिवाइज कर रही थी. I was just revising. Incidentally, I don't know, out of nowhere I slept. I don't know, I slept because मैं बहुत नींद में थी. And you all know about the 11th class. We were preparing for exams and बहुत नींद आती है, नहीं पूरी हो पाती है. तो it was around 2 or 3 o'clock. So you all can imagine कि हाँ नींद आ रही होगी. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नींद में थी. And it this and I was like that. बुक मेरे मुँह पे गिरी and मैं सो गई. I don't know सो गई या क्या था, सो गई मैं. But I was not in my complete sleep. I was partially in my present moment and partially in my dream moment. Not in a dream, it's like a sleeping moment. कि मुझे पता था कि मैं सो रही हूँ and मैं मतलब you all had experienced it. When you are sleeping, it's like a power nap and you know that you are in your present moment. So it was just like that. Then suddenly happened. Then suddenly my eyes got opened. मेरी आंखें खुली. I was not able to move my hands and legs properly. ऐसा लग रहा था किसी ने पकड़ रखा था उसे. I was trying. अब हम लेटे हुए. We were just laying in our bed and we are trying to get up and we are unable to do this. Just imagine how will you feel? How will you feel in this situation? Similarly, I was feeling in that situation, and this has happened with me first time, and I was very scared. I was very scared. I was like, why I'm not able to do this? I feel, do I paralyzed? What had happened with me? I was like, I don't know. It was scary. So I decided that moment. I was in my conscious mind. It was not a dream. I can bet this was not a dream. And I know people in the comment section will say that this will be your dream. This might be dream. But I can bet this was not my dream. Because I was in my conscious mind. I had opened my eyes and I was not able to move my hands and legs. Then suddenly I tried कि मैं अपने घर वालों को जगाती हूँ. आई वॉज ट्राई कि मैं मम्मी पापा को जगाती हूँ, उनको आवाज़ लगाती हूँ, उनको बुलाती हूँ. आई ट्राई टू कॉल देम, बट माई वॉइस, मेरी आवाज़ ही नहीं पहुँच रही थी उन तक. I was trying to shout, but my expression says it all. मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रही थी लेकिन मेरी आवाज़ उन तक पहुँच ही नहीं रही थी. There was like nothing. मतलब मैं बुलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, चिल्ला रही हूँ, बोल रही हूँ, just shout. I was shouting. कोई किसी के पास मेरी आवाज़ पहुँच ही नहीं रही थी. And then you know what happened next? It was like सीने पे कोई मेरे चढ़ा हुआ है, हाथ पैर किसी ने पकड़ रखे हैं, बोल मैं कुछ पा नहीं रही, बोल रही हूँ लेकिन मेरी आवाज़ किसी तक पहुँच ही नहीं रही है. You know what then? What happened next? It was like I was laying on my bed, and जो मेरी, I really felt that this is not a, don't think that this is a, मैं किसी को राह भटका रही हूँ. Don't ever think about it. It was just a incident, story, situation that had happened with me, and I'm just sharing with you. So what happened next is I was laying on my bed and I felt कि मेरी जो स्पिरिट है, मेरी आत्मा है, वो बाहर निकली. एंड आई वाज जस्ट लेइंग एंड मेरा ही इस सरफेस से ऐसे निकली, ठीक है, मतलब मैं ऐसे निकली हूँ. एंड इट वाज जस्ट, माई बॉडी वॉज लेइंग ऑन द बेड एंड माई स्पिरिट was looking here and there, was looking just here and there, and I am unable to move my hands and legs, and I was unable to shout or speak. Then after a few minutes, everything was normal. I was able to move my hands and legs. थोड़ी देर बाद सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाता है. थोड़ी देर बाद सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाता है. जब वो स्पिरिट वाला सीन होता है ना मेरे साथ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दिस इज माई लास्ट डे, इज दिस रियली माई लास्ट डे, व्हाट हैपन. मतलब एक होता है ना कि इन हिंदी भी से मौत को छू के वापस आने वाली बात है. मतलब I had experienced this first time and I was never heard about it. I had never heard about it. So I was very scared. I was very, very, very. Just imagine an 11th standard child had experienced this thing first time. So I was in my conscious, जब मैं conscious में थी जब मैं अपने hands और legs को move कर पा रही थी. I just woke up. I decided कि मैं घर वालों को जगाती हूँ, बताती हूँ, but I was scared. I was very scared. मैं इतना डर गई थी, मुझे लगा वही क्या होगा मेरे साथ, क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ. I had just closed my books, off my lights and went to sleep again. I was like कि मुझे नहीं जगना चाहिए, अब मुझे properly सो जाना चाहिए. मैं उसी से move on ही नहीं कर पाई. I was not able to move on from that situation because it still haunts me. Why this happened? हुई थी वो तो मेरे साथ पहली बार हुई थी, but ये जो hands और legs मेरे move नहीं कर पा रहे थे ना, वो ऐसा था कि मेरे साथ उस दिन के बाद में भी होने लगा. अब मैं आपको now I am going to tell you what is this and what is this called, what had actually happened with me. That is called a sleep paralysis. Yes, you all got it right. This is a sleep paralysis and कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. Nothing to afraid. This usually happens when our sleeping schedules have been disturbed. We are not taking proper rest, proper sleeps, often taking caffeine before sleep. So that time when I was in 11th standard, तो मेरी sleeping schedule इस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा बिगड़ा हुआ था. तो मुझे पता चला इस बारे में कि ऐसा ऐसा होता है. Because when this happened with me, I was very scared. What had happened? Is it real? What had मतलब like that. कि मन में चीज़ें आ जाती है कि कोई भूतिया चीज़ तो नहीं हो रही मेरे साथ. सो उस टाइम पे मेरे माइंड में सारे थॉट्स. जो स्लीप पैरालिसिस होता है, दिस इज रियल एंड वेरी टेरिफाइड and it happened with every person once in a while, once in their lifetime. It has happened with everyone, but when this incident happened with me, I have no clue about it, I have no idea about it, and I have never heard about it. मैंने इसके बारे में ना पहले कभी सुना था, ना मैंने इसके बारे में कभी लिखा था कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ. मुझे ये पता है कब पता चला कि ये स्लीप पैरालिसिस होता है. आफ्टर 1.5 years After 1.5 years, I got to know about it. I was just searching, and I was just heard. I saw a video in which they were explaining same thing that happened with me, and I was like, this has happened with me. तो मुझे देन आई डिसाइडेड टू शेयर दिस इंसिडेंट विद यू ऑल, ताकि आप लोगों को घबराने की ज़रूरत ना हो कि अगर आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा हो, इफ़ यू हैव एवर एक्सपीरियंस दिस, देन डोंट वरी, डोंट बी अफ्रेड। डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट अ नॉर्मल थिंग। यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक योर स्लीपिंग शेड्यूल प्रॉपरली। टाइम से सोना है, कैफ़ाइन को नहीं लेना है, कैफ़ाइन इनटेक को कम करना है, एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल। आप बहुत नॉर्मल हो जाओगे, 2 से 3 मिनट तक होता है, बट हाँ वो 2 से 3 मिनट का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही वर्स्ट होता है, बिकॉज आई हैड एक्सपीरियंस इट। सो if you guys like this video, then do like, share, comment, subscribe the channel, and tell me in the comment section your experience about it. What do you feel? How do you feel about it? Tell me your experiences about sleep paralysis in the comment section. I will read all the comments. Tell me your stories.